In front of me is Blackview Tab 12 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can operate a voice recorder. You need to begin by locating and opening Recorder app. And if you never used it before, selecting Allow in the pop-ups. Now, before starting recording, hit those three dots at the top right corner and manage all of those options, like recording mode. When you finished, go back and tap on this red button at the bottom to start recording. You can pause it or unpause it using the same one. To add a bookmark, click on the left one when your recording is unpaused. And to end it and save it, on the right one. Now to access list of all your recordings, click on this button with three lines on the right. To play one of them, click on the chosen one. And to rename it, hold it and select Rename option at the bottom in the middle. Then type in wherever you wish to and hit save. Lastly, you need to hold it again if you wish to delete it. Select Delete at the bottom right corner and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Then select Allow in the second one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!